Hi guys, my name is Priscilla and I'm here to speak to you on three most important things to do to keep your roof in the best shape. Number one is regular cleaning and washing of the roof. Regular cleaning and washing of your roof helps to keep your roof free from any dirt that will pile up and cause further damage to the roof. Number two, roof repairs. Identify all loose shingles, roof cracks, and leakages around your roof and call a professional immediately as those professionals have tailor-made products to seal those leakages that will last for a very long time. Number three, roof painting. Roof painting entirely improves the appearance of the roof and further gives beauty to the entire property. So if your roof is faded and you're thinking, oh, should I re-roof? What you have to do is that you just simply, repaint the roof and it come back to shape again. It also improves the lifespan of the roof and improves the appearance and the efficiency of the roof. At Plusworld Roofing and Restoration Company, we do all of this: roof washing, roof repairs, roof painting, and lots more. Kindly contact the number showing on your screen for